Yes?
Put some fashion music on!
Don't worry, I got this.
Hello, YouTube. How is it going? It's me again, Dr. Ozi. I hope you guys are feeling really good today. It's Friday. We're making this a consistent thing. So, yay. Clap, clap. If you are clapping in the chat, congratulations. If you haven't noticed, I'm wearing my own merch, and I like it. It's mine. I made it. So if you guys want this host sweatshirt, you may go get it at... Today's upload is awesome. I've never made this genre that much. It never interested me that much until I heard good old Lil Texas. Lil Texas, everyone knows he's a fast man. He loves speedcore, happy hardcore, hardstyle, if you want to call that in that genre. But he's like a modern take. He's appreciated in the bass world quite a lot, especially when it comes to drum and bass and sometimes even dubstep. People like to just throw his music in and out in their mixes all the time. So chat on Twitch wanted me to create something out of this genre. I gave it a shot. The result, you guys get to see it. It's kind of different. When you do something like this, where you make a genre that you are not familiar with, you learn something from it and the genre itself, and then you try to apply it on your own music. So it's always fun to test out different types of genre every now and then. For some reason that day, I was feeling speedcore. On that note, I want to make sure you guys do this favor for me, because I know there's that one person, and I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Just like it, please. Just like the video. I'm still waiting. Like the video. Put a graphic saying like the video somewhere here. I'm waiting. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Let me tell you why you should subscribe. I'm the fastest person in the entire universe. Faster than Flash. You want to see it? Watch this. Don't even blink. Ready? I'm back. This video is really cool. I had a great time with the chat, and I hope you guys like this video. Until next time, see you guys later, and be safe. Goodbye. Make speedcore. I could. Oh, dude. Okay, so I found the ultimate Space Laces pack. Hybrid game sounds, I think. No, it's the weapon one. Hold up. Okay, there is a sample in there. No. Where's the fucking weapon ones? Yeah, these guys. Nah. So... You know? We can go crazy. Wait, hold up. There's more. Come on. This is easy. Yeah. I like that one. Let's just pick one for the sake of it. I'm not sitting here just fucking going through all of them because they do sound really good. But I mean, let's make a move on, right? Is that like 150 probably? I don't know. 106. All right, let's fucking do it. Let's try if we can make it a crazy thing. Don't worry. I pay attention to the chat to find out that if I or do not, you guys can't. Yeah. So far, we're there. We just gotta figure this out in a neat way. I don't know really how to approach this, but we'll probably fucking put a erosion in there. Oh, actually. And then I think I need to do like a couple more variations. leave that empty. And then maybe bada-bum. That's not bad. Let's see how else we can make this boing, you know? You know what I'm talking about? Maybe FM. All right, disperser maybe. Let's see what that bad boy does. Let's add some movement because it sounds very stupid. So let's do like a lo-fi, fatten it up. I don't know. Let's see what that sounds. Oh, that's just weird. Okay, it needs that classic fucking kick though. Not rounded. It needs like a click, you know? So we're gonna go with the vengeance. I don't know. I think they had like fast-paced techno. Yeah, they had like a 140 BPM shit like way back. I don't know if you guys remember. Clubby. I like that. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. So we're going to find out what this sounds like. This is probably the weirdest shit I've made, honestly. Let's go with 10 sidechain. I don't think it needs the sidechain, but This is weird. Ooh, that's a throaty one. I like that. Yeah. Now it needs some rides. Vengeance rides, specifically. Yeah, we'll go with the 808 sound. This is making me want to go fisting. What? That's an odd thought, buddy. I gotta follow it, obviously, so let's see. Oh, the symbols are going off. Is this SpeedCore enough? I don't know. I'm just kind of just doing it with the idea over here. We have a pattern, so we're gonna follow it. Oh, this is gonna be clicky. All right, I think we got it, kinda. Who knows? Okay, we have a kind of 16 bar, but I'm not still happy with this. So we're gonna try to see how we can make this a little bit more pleasable and not just like, you know, a brick wall of sound. And maybe a little bit more today. Yeah, I mean, I hope you know. Maybe a phaser would be a good idea. Let's go with 800. Why are you clicky? Stop it. Oh, noise. Okay, so this will be this. Let's see, analog, basic shapes, maybe a square. It's weird. It's like compressing by itself, which is cool. It's going all over the place now. Oh, randomized. Fuck off. What have I tuned into? Me trying to make fucking SpeedCore. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to, because I kind of get it. I just don't know. You know, like, I don't know how good I am at it, and we'll keep working. We'll see how this goes. It sounds like gargling, to be honest. I'm loving the fact that people are actually liking this shit. It's fucking weird. It's never something I've never made, so. Okay, let's fix this, because this is like now just gone. Okay, so let's warp it and loop it. Ozi hates them clicks hard. Let's see if that kind of helped or not. And then we do probably this. Let's see. This, I'm still not happy with this. I don't, it needs to be. maybe a vocal. It's possible. I can try. Let's fucking crank it. That's kind of cool, actually. I really like that. It's kind of like weird. Are you making a hardstyle kick? Kind of, not really. I'm not really paying attention to the hardstyle aspect. I'm just trying to see if I can make like a fast kind of thing. Because this is going to be extremely distorted. So what I'm going to do is probably duplicate this and not have any of this and only have pink noise, because it's probably going to fill the gaps and EQ it out a little bit. And then on top of that, I'm going to have a sub one. So I don't think like that one is enough for my liking for the sub. So I'm going to take that. And then I'm going to cut this out. Where did I cut it? I don't even know. $5.99. Let's see. This thing, I don't know. Let's find another one. It probably could fit better. Let's see that one. Oh. Yeah, there you go. That could work. I think it needs to be a little faster, like 110. Okay, so on these extra parts, on these guys, I think I'm gonna add some sort of, maybe a fill, who knows. I'm kind of happy with it. Let's keep going. What do I have? Oh, I have a lot of time. Fucking OTT, I guess. Oh, I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. I don't know. But anyways. Boing. Okay, this one, I still am not pleased with it yet. So, it sounds pretty full, but I think it's not full enough. That just sounds like paper. Let's add a filter and then maybe bandpass it. See what that sounds like. Yeah. Yeah, I think I kind of like it. But I think I've lost the key now. It's supposed to be D, but all the distortion and everything come to D. This is what they play at underground raves. Pretty much. Just a random rhythm flavor in there, you know? I really like this now. Like this is sounding really cool. So far, so good. I don't know what else could I add, really. What am I making, boys? What am I fucking making? This is shitty. I mean, like, it's not bad, but holy fuck. Where is good old friendly effects compressor, OTT? Okay, so we'll need clean drop. So now what? What the fuck now? Hopefully it works. I don't know if this is gonna work, boys. Like, it's just kind of, I'm just eyeballing it now. Clean. Jeez. Clean, drop! Anyways, this is pretty fucking cool. I really like it. I'm gonna try to work on it a little bit more because it kind of sounds cool. I do like it. Pretty neat. Boing.